What's up, beautiful people? You know what time it is. You know when I stand in front of this camera and you click on the video, you know what's going on. How y'all guys doing? My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher, and I am here to give you step-by-step instructions. So, if you've never watched this channel before, at the end, if you like it, guess what? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video with a friend. So, I'm getting ready to teach you an easy peasy, guys. It's called Er Body, Er Body, everybody, everybody, okay? It's a full wall dance, and it moves clockwise. So it's 757 everybody, okay? If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Now, once you've done this step-by-step instructions, if you wait till the end of this video, I'll pin the demo so we can dance together to make sure you got the right steps, okay? Here we go. So I want you to stand on this wall. So stand here and look out in this direction, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is do a weave or a travel step. And it's going to start with my weight on the left, and I'm going to move to the left with my right leg, okay? And it's going to cross to the front, step, back, step, front, step, out, okay? So this is how it goes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, step, back, step, front, and step out. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, out 4. Okay? So we're coming out on 4 with the left leg. Okay? 5, 6, 7, and front, step, back, step, front, and out. Okay? So the same thing we did on the right, we're going to do on the left. We're going to cross to the front, go back in this direction to the right via left leg. Front, step, back, step, front, tap, out. Okay? So it's a weave to the left and then going to the right. So when we go to the left, the weight is on the left leg, and we're stepping first with the right crossing to the front. So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, and front, step, back, step, front, and out. Front, step, back, step, front, and out. Okay? Now, from here, we're going to do a cross tap, cross, tap. When we do that, the right over left, the left leg heel is up. We're going to come back with the left shoulder. Make a half turn, and then tap out. Turn, tap out, making a half turn. Then the heel is up, the right heel up. We're going to step, tap out. We're going to stay here. The left heel is up. Then we're going to come back a quarter turn with our left shoulder and then tap out here. Okay? So, we just made 2 turns. We made a half turn and a quarter turn. And both with the left shoulder coming back. Okay? So my weight is on my left. I cross, tap. So I stay here. 1, 2. Okay, so stay here on 2. Come back, turn back half on 3, tap out on 4. Okay? We're going to cross here. 5 and 6, staying here. And then we're going to come back a quarter turn. The first turn we made was a half turn. The second will be a quarter turn to actually bring us to our wall. This line dance move clockwise. 5, 6, come back, 7, and tap out on 8. Okay? Let's put that together again. Just picking up the tempo a little bit. On 1, 2, you stay at this wall. 1, 2, turn back half, 3, out 4. Cross 5, stay right here on 6, turn back, half quarter, 7, and 8. All right. So now let's put that together. From the top, weight is on the left, going to the left, towards the left, with the right leg is a weave or travel. 1 and 2 and 3 out, 4, cross 5, back 6 and 7 and 8. Cross 1, tap 2, half 3 and 4, cross 5 and 6, turn 7 and 8. So don't rush it, okay? Don't rush it. Remember, it's 1 and 2. 1, 2, turn 3, 4. Stay here, 5, 6, then turn 7 and 8. Once you've done that, my right heel is up. I'm going to do a roll, 2 rolls to the right. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, go left, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Okay? Again, my right heel is up. I roll to the right twice. 1, 2, 3, tap 4 to the left, 5, 6, 7, tap 8, and my right heel is up. Okay? Let's put that together. So, we'll do our travel or weave step. We'll cross tap. This is a Monterey half. Cross tap, Monterey quarter. Then roll to the right for 2. Tap, roll to the left for 2, and tap. Don't forget those taps, okay? All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 out, 4, 5 and 6 out, 7 and 8. Cross 1, tap 2, turn 3 and 4, up 5, tap 6, turn 7 and 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, tap 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now we're at our wall. So right heel is up. We're going to step, tap with a clap forward, then come back and tap. So it's 1, clap 2, and 3, tap 4. Check out the taps also with the clap. 1 and 2 and 3, tap 4. My right heel is up. I'm step, pivot, half, step, pivot, half with my right foot, step, right, pivot, half. I did that twice, so that makes it a full turn. Okay, from here, my right heel is up. I'm going to move 1 to kind of like a shimmy. 1, 2, 3, hitch 4 and 5, 6, 7, hitch 8 with the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's the dance. Okay, so it's 5 8 counts. So 4 8 counts is 32, and you add another 8 counts, so it's a 40 count line dance that moves clockwise. Okay, let's put it all together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and travel 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 to the right, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, cross tap, turn back, half turn Monterey, cross tap, Monterey quarter, roll to the right for 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, roll to the left for 2, step tap with the clap, step pivot half, step pivot half, shimmy to the right, 1, 2, 3, hitch 4, 5, 6, 7, hitch 8. Okay, then you travel again. 1 and 2 and 3 out, 4 travel, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, cross tap, 1, 2, turn back half, 3, 4, cross here, quarter turn, roll to the right for 2, 1, 2, 3, roll to the left for 2. Remember, do that step pivot half on the right, step pivot half, step pivot half, shimmy to the right, 1, 2, 3, hitch 4, 5, 6, 7, hitch 8. Okay? And we at this wall here, we start all over again. Okay? That's a nice dance, instructors, for your beginners. Okay? Not the new people, the ones that have been coming for a little while, and it'll teach them how to do that travel step, also that Monterey turn. Cross tap, that's a Monterey. Cross tap, a half and a quarter, okay? that weave in a travel step, great step to teach your beginner's class, okay? All right, and it's not, it's only 40 counts moving clockwise, okay? Call out the steps first and then give them the count. Give them that count, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Leave me a comment, guys. Make sure you subscribe, share this video with someone. And that is 757 Er Body, okay? My name is Linda Sims. I am the Do That teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.